In this tutorial, I'll show you how to present and export your design in Figma. Start by opening the Figma file that contains the design you want to share or export. To present your design, click the Present button in the top right corner of the Figma interface. Figma will open your selected frame or prototype in presentation mode, allowing you to view your design without the editing panels and tools. If your file includes a prototype, you can interact with it directly in presentation mode to test navigation, animations, and user flows. To share your presentation, click the Share button and copy the presentation link. You can send this link to clients, teammates, or stakeholders for review. If you want to embed the presentation on a website, open the sharing options and select Embed Code. Copy the generated code and paste it into your website where you want the design to appear. To export your design as a file, return to the editor and select the frame, component, or layer you want to export. In the right sidebar, scroll down to the Export section. Click the plus icon and choose your preferred file format such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Adjust any export settings if needed, then click Export. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, and Figma will generate the export for you. If you need to export multiple frames, select them together and export them at the same time. And that's it. You've successfully presented and exported your design in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.